Gina Rodriguez and Lakeith Stanfield are way too cute on the set of their new movie Someone Great. The Annihilation star and the Death Note actor were seen locking lips while shooting on Friday, May 11th, in New York City. Gina rocked a crop top with a red and black plaid shirt tied around her waist, along with a pair of sandals. The duo was all smiles and laughs as they filmed the sweet scene. Later that night, Gina changed into a black dress and denim jacket for more scenes. She stopped to snap pics with fans in between takes. Someone Great follows a woman who, on the rebound from a nasty breakup, travels with her two best friends to New York City. The rom-com is set to hit theaters next year.